In this video, we'll show you how to install LemonUI in GTA 5. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So LemonUI is an open source UI library that lets you run GTA 5 script menus and trainer. So if you're trying to mod your GTA 5, you definitely need to install this. Alright, to download it, you can go to gta5mods.com. I'll put the link in the description, and once you're here, before we download it, you can scroll down and read the description. And here it says that you need to install scriptbookv and scriptbookv.net to run LemonUI. We have a video covering that, so follow that video and then go back to this video to install LemonUI. So after you install that, now you can scroll and hit download and then hit download again. Save it somewhere on your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder. So just hit save and it will start downloading. Now to showcase LemonUI, we're also going to install Advanced Trainer V. So if you want to install another trainer that requires LemonUI, the installation process is going to be the same. So let's hit download here and hit download again, hit save, and it'll start downloading. After you finish downloading, you can go to your downloads folder, and here you'll have LemonUI and Advanced Trainer, both as a zip file. So we need to extract this first. To do that, you can right click on the zip file and hit extract all, hit extract, and you'll have it in the folder. So let's extract Advanced Trainer, right click, extract, and hit extract. Now you can delete the zip file to save space, right click, and hit delete. Alright, we're ready to install this. Now to install it, you'll need your GTA 5 installation folder. If you don't know where, I'll put the default GTA 5 installation folder path on the screen, so you can go there. And once you find it, make sure you already installed scriptbookv and scriptbookv.net. After you installed it, you'll have a scripts folder like this. So let's open up the scripts folder inside your GTA 5 folder, and let's start installing LemonUI. So open up LemonUI folder, and here you'll have many options. As you can see, this is Alt-V, 5M for developers, and if you want to install offline mods, you're gonna need shvdn3. So let's open up the folder, and here you'll have DLL, PDB, and XML file. Select all of it, and you're gonna drag and drop it into the scripts folder like that, and that's done. Now let's go back and open up Advanced Trainer folder, and here just drag and drop Advanced Trainer DLL into the scripts folder, and everything is installed. But before you launch GTA 5 on Rockstar Games Launcher, go to settings, and here make sure you uncheck BetterLie anti-cheat, so you're not going into GTA Online and risk getting banned. Now you can launch GTA 5. Once you're in the game, you can open up your scripts or trainer menu by pressing the menu key. Now it's gonna be different, but for me, because I installed Advanced Trainer, I can press F10, and there we go. And now I can use this trainer with LemonUI.